If you're keen to see me unbox this Ledger Nano S, then stick around because that's what we're about to get into. Alrighty, here we are. I just wanted to put these on screen just to show you the others that I have. So this is my Ledger Nano X. This was the first Ledger I got. These are really great, actually. They're battery powered, so you can actually charge this one and connect it to your phone or your computer wirelessly through Bluetooth. They are a great thing. However, this is my Ledger Nano S, my previous one that I've got. So I got the blue one too. This was ages ago that I bought him. And I bought the little case as well that you can get with these products. And then down here, I've also got my Tangem cards. So these are an alternate to Ledger cold storage wallets. These, you have the option to get a seed phrase or just use the cards. They've also now brought out a ring with theirs, which is really interesting, like the first wearable digital wallet. So that's kind of cool. I opted not to go for a seed phrase with these because I really wanted to test the product as it is. There's 3 cards. If you lose one of the cards, or if you lose all of them, then you lose your keys, basically. So there's a lot to unpack and a lot to learn about all of this. So you've got to start somewhere. But now let's unbox this Ledger Nano S. Da-da-da. Thank you, Amazon. All right, what do we got here? Let's get him out of the plastic. Ooh, I have a feeling Ledger are not bringing out this purple one again. As soon as I saw it disappear from their website, I was devastated because I really, really wanted it. Like I went to the ends of the earth to get this. Let's just pop these out. Okay, we've got a lot of tech companies seem to be doing this. A box with a sleeve. It seems to be the jam at the moment in packaging. And then when we open it up, here we go. Okay, we've got a little card there. But then once you get through all the crap, here she is. By the way, the QR codes on the screen will lead you to all of these products that I'm showing you. So if you scan it with your phone, you'll be able to go and visit them. Let's actually look at the device first. It is so nice. So this is my previous one. It's got a shiny metal piece. Resilience by design. This purple is in like a matte color. It's really, really beautiful. Okay, got a little plastic bit on the screen there. Now with these devices as well, so they're different to the X in the fact that they don't have battery, meaning you must plug this in order for it to operate. So it's got to have a power source. This, on the other hand, has a battery. This one also has Bluetooth. This one does not. So it must be connected to a device in order for you to function with it. I cannot believe how pretty this thing is. I love it. I'm not regretting any of my choices right now. Then we've got here, this is your recovery phrase sheets. So in these, you've got a card, and on the card, once you generate the seed phrase from the device, you write down all your 24 words and you store this really safely. There is lots of different options that you can do to store your seed phrase in other places other than this card. What I don't recommend you do is photograph and upload your seed phrase to the cloud anywhere, okay? That is the worst thing you can do because as soon as it's online, it's basically as good as gone and compromised. If anyone gets hold of it, you're screwed. Then if we lift up this, so we've got like a little tray that holds the actual device and the security cards. Then we get to the instructions. This manual is quite thick. I do encourage everybody to actually read it and know what you're doing. If you're brand new to this, I am going to make a tutorial on how to activate the seed phrase on this and load cryptocurrency onto it. But just as many hours of learning as you can do on this as possible is ultimately going to be the best thing for you. I also got some stickers, so I can stick those onto something if I want. Speaking of wearables, by the way, as well, how I said the Tangem ring is now available. These also have a little loophole where you could put like a little chain or something through that and wear it around your neck if you wanted to. The loophole on the Ledger Nano X is a little bit cooler. It's actually on the side there, so if you put a chain through, it can actually sit flat on your chest. I kind of like the idea of wearing it. Kind of another way to say who you are without saying anything. And then what we've got lastly in here, we've got a cable and we've got a little keychain. So these cables are, what powers everything. Plugging that in, plug that into the computer. As soon as you plug this into a power source, this turns on. I will show you that in another video, but today we're just doing unboxing and all that good stuff. And that's pretty much everything you get, except from these Tangem wallets. Instruction manual with stickers, card to write down your security phrase, a cord, the actual device itself, and a little keychain. Beautiful. I'm actually so happy that I bought this. I can already tell you now, I love the Ledger devices and how they operate. Once you get used to them, it's actually quite cool. And you'd be surprised, there's so many people that don't know how these work still. And it kind of feels a little bit exclusive. You're like, ooh, I'm kind of in the know about what's up and coming. So if you are looking at getting into cryptocurrency, go and get yourself one of these. Doesn't matter if it's the Ledger Nano X, doesn't matter if it's the S, doesn't matter what color it is, doesn't matter if it's the Tangem cards. This is the most secure way to store digital assets, NFTs, anything like that. After dabbling with cryptocurrency for a little while now, I'm really grateful that I started learning about all of this stuff a couple of years ago. But in saying that, it's never too late for anybody else to jump on board and have a go. So if you've got any questions, let me know in the comments. And yeah, happy cold storage. Catch you next time.